back, guys. Welcome back. We got the stock hydro here today, and we are running Mad Lizard turn fin on the stock hydro, and we'll see how it works. Give it a little bit of start with the neutral position, and we are not tracking GPS. Come on, girl. Are you even? Oh, of course. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. She's tracking, but she's not in the boat. What a fucking moron. All right, I'm not untaping her. We know this one does about 35 miles an hour anyways, so we'll go throw her in the water. All right, guys, here we go. This is a quick shakedown for the Mad Lizard turn fin. We got these rollers, and it's not very convenient, but we'll check her out. Oh, runs amazing with this turn fin. It's full trigger for a quick second. Here we go. Full trigger. Oh, wow. Oh, she runs good. A little bit of oversteer. Gotta watch out for those sailboats. Oh, she runs good. Wow, this turn fin's great. Oh! Super stable with this turn fin. Guys, there's no tune on this boat at all. I literally just threw the turn fin on. I don't even remember where I had the strut set. She's hooking those turns. Oh, I flipped her. I flipped her. Maybe we can reach. She's coming. Oh, that was fun. That was fun. All right. No water in her, and we can't check what she did, but we'll throw her again. Fuck it. One last time. Let's kill this battery. This battery's already dead. This is full trigger, boys. Alright, let's bring her back. It's only an 1800 pack. Oh, that was really good. I was happy with that. This turn fin works amazing. I thought this turn fin was going to be a little big for the stock version, but I was wrong. And I think the more powerful version might need a turn fin that's longer that way, or a bracket that I can bring it back and forth this way. That's probably the best thing to do. Good job. Let's check temps. Motor 70. ESC. I'm joking. ESC doesn't even feel hot. I don't know what the deal is here. Everything feels cool. The motor feels the warmest. I don't know. Should probably change the mode on this on Fahrenheit. Yeah, it's on Fahrenheit. And I'll fuck with it later, but definitely happy with that one. Look what we left here. All right, 1800 SMC Flight Pack 3S. So with that said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. And we'll see you guys later.